I honestly have no idea what happened to the previous video. The video was supposed to be much longer. The video was created perfectly fine, uploaded perfectly fine. YouTube said there were no issues, no worries. And then I started getting messages saying that the video was cut short. So here is the second part to the first video, if that kind of makes sense. But thank you very much for following along. If you guys enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy. Actually remove my gloves so I get a better feel of the emblem. I don't want to burn the paint. Now with the logo off, I've got some sticky residue left over. I'm just going to use a little bit of adhesive remover like Glue Gun. There's other ones like WD-40, glue remover, stuff like that. I like Glue Gun, it works pretty well with me. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on there and leave it for 10-15 minutes and let it do its magic. I take my plastic scraper, which is a really handy tool. I'm glad I found this. It's like a serrated blade, but instead of metal, it's plastic. So it won't scratch the paint, but yet will remove the adhesive. I haven't cleaned the adhesive completely off the Cadillac, as it seems like the glue has stuck to the paint. Same when I remove the wording ATS. So I'm just going to leave it. It also gives me a template where I can put this new emblem on. Pressing the emblem right onto the Cadillac. I think that gives the Cadillac a brand new fresh look. Brand new emblems, brand new rear spoiler, brand new trim, brand new bumper. Now let's do the front emblem on the Cadillac. Thankfully this aftermarket body kit came with the area to put the Cadillac emblem. And it came with this one, all blacked out. This Cadillac's gonna look murdered out. Let's see how she looks. Make sure the area is nice and clean. I made sure that the area is all nice and clean. Wiped it down with water, dried it off. Wow! Oh my goodness gracious! That looks insane! Wow! I've come so far working on this Cadillac. It's crazy to see this emblem finally on the Cadillac. I mean, just look how this Cadillac looks now.
In the city, she was pretty cool too. Friend of a friend, so that's pretty good news. Homie spinning downtown, saw her dance move. Had a good night, karaoke taboo. She live out in New York, I'm like, that's cool. Here for
I've gone ahead and removed the V-style logo that comes on the Cadillac. It comes on the doors on both passenger and driver side, as it's already there. So I don't need two badges. Man, those blinkers look boring. Let's do something about that. Oh! Oh, I didn't break it. First thing I got to do is remove this mirror. And what I've seen is I need to push it in a direction like that. And then there's a clip way in the back there which needs to be removed. And I got to yank the mirror away from the housing. Now I'm using gloves because I'm scared of glass. Also safety first. Once I got the mirror out of the way, which is held in by this clip, I've got 1, 2, 3 T10 screws I need to remove. Now what is really weird to me is normally with the screw you go lefty loosey, righty tighty. On the driver's side you go righty loosey, lefty tighty. So it's completely opposite to a normal screw. Weird. It's weird. But that's why Cadillac did it. What's kind of weird is I was saying righty loosey, lefty tighty, which is opposite to a normal screw. This one was lefty loosey, righty tighty. This one is lefty tighty, righty loosey. And then the one in the back here, there's 3 of them. is also lefty loosey, righty tighty. So only this screw is opposite to a normal screw. That's weird. Now this is the one that I purchased. It's a sequential flowing LED turn signal mirror light thing, which I ordered on eBay. Pretty inexpensive. For both of them was about $40. And get this one installed and see how it looks. Hey, look at that. They look awesome and they're working. I do like the fact that it's also smoked. So it does go with the theme of the Cadillac being murdered out or blacked out, whatever you guys want to call it. Oh, I've got bird poo-poo over there. Passenger side also working and looking good. And here we go. Hopefully all my hard work is going to pay off. The Cadillac is ready to go for the state inspection. What the state inspection does is it will be able to tell me if the car is roadworthy. Since the Cadillac was in a crash accident and I rebuilt her, so she's got a rebuild title at the moment, and after getting her all rebuilt, I'll be able to get her all inspected for the final time, which will allow me to get her titled, insured, registered, and back on the road. So fingers crossed, guys. I really want this to go well. The Cadillac just came back from the inspection, for the state inspection, where I can get it registered, titled, on the road, and everything like that. So the results are bye-bye. Where's the paperwork? Do you remember where the paperwork is? Oh yes, that's right. Okay. I'm gonna push the thing twice. There we go. Aha! Here's the paperwork. What do you think? Think it's going to be another one of those manufacturer warranty things expired? Dear sir, we have been trying to contact you about your extended car warranty. Oh, a lot of paperwork. A lot of paperwork. Need this paperwork, that paperwork, this paperwork, that. There we go. Yes! My first crash damaged vehicle, and it's a pass. Everything passed on the vehicle, bye-bye. Woo! Boy, I'm getting pretty good at this, especially rebuilding crash damaged vehicles. What do you think? Woo! So now I can get this vehicle titled, registered, everything back on the road. So that's what I'm going to do on the next episode. I'm going to take her for a final drive. It's not going to be a long video, but I think it's going to be a pretty sweet video. A lot of hard work went into this Cadillac, but you know what they say? Hard work pays off. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell when I release new videos on this Cadillac. Take care. There we go, bubs. Video done.